Hello, welcome to Akulmek Live. I'm Kanchan Verma, and today we'll be discussing that how we can be positive and healthy during this COVID period. But before that, I would like to remind you there's a free gift available only for you. So stick around to this episode till the end. We will guide you how to avail your free gift. Hello, friends, welcome to the show. And today we will be discussing about how to be healthy and positive in this period of COVID. And we will be inviting our guest today, and she has been practicing a lot of things to remain positive. So, we'll welcome Ritu Gupta. So, how are you, Ritu? Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kanchan. I'm absolutely fine. Good morning to you. And I hope you're also staying happy, fit, and fine.
We are good. We are coping up with this pandemic, and now it's more than a year. And we are also waiting for our second dose of COVID vaccination. But
Yes.
then there is always a positive side, and we'd like to discuss how to be healthy and positive in this period.
Yes, Kanchan, it is very important that one should stay healthy, positive, and remain happy. Also, you have to remain active also. So I feel that there are certain lifestyle tips which one should need to follow to stay healthy during this pandemic. And it's something like, eating right at the right time, doing some kind of the physical activity, having adequate rest, and taking care of our mental health. And this not only improves overall health and wellness, but makes us more strong towards dealing with various other diseases, whether it's COVID or something related with COVID. So it's very important, the lifestyle, one needs to just alter certain things from the lifestyle, adapt new things, think positively, because your mental health is directly involved with the other parts of the body. So it's very important that one should remain positive. And to remain positive, there are certain things that you can do. What makes you happy? Do whatever makes you happy, because time is not running now. We have ample time. So we can, restart our hobbies, do something which makes us happy, eat right. This is also very important, to eat right things and eat at the right time.
Well, yes, this is the requirement of the hour, because you have to be hydrated and you have to boost you eat those kind of food which can boost your immunity. But I would
Right.
also want to ask you that now it's almost a year plus, and we are locked in our homes. So
Yeah.
how you really visualize the future, uh, maybe in 1 or 2 years, how you feel that the lifestyle, we can bring a change in our lifestyle, I mean. So what we can do, and you have mentioned a very good point, that is you should take up those hobbies which you missed out when you were growing up. So let's discuss about this aspect of our lifestyle.
Kanchan, what I see that, what I read and what I see, and when I talk to people, uh, COVID is going to be here. It's going, since we all know it's going to be here, it's not going anywhere. So, first of all, we have to accept that COVID is here, and we need to alter the lifestyle accordingly. And as per that, because vaccination, I'm sure everyone is going to get vaccinated, everyone must have taken the first dose, must be going for the second dose. So vaccination, I'm sure people are very much aware. People should know what are the things they should do and what are the things which they should not be doing, and as per that they should plan for their future. And as I was talking about hobbies, so there are certain things, everyone has got some kind of interest. So start the hobby part and see how you can convert your hobby into profession also. There are some people who are interested in baking. There are some people who love cooking and like music. So one can start improving on the hobbies. One should improve the hobbies, become a professional in that, and then you can also, start a small kind of business. And it's very important where you should know your target audience, your area, and start doing the same thing which you learn. Your hobby can become your profession also. So this way you remain busy also, and then you earn some money also. That's important.
Well, I think this is a very good time that we can strengthen our relationship with our family. We have children at home, and I think that is the best time we can interact. Otherwise, in good times, they were going to the school, so and we were going to our offices. But now this is a good time that we can interact. We can develop new hobbies which can benefit the children also. And now, while coming to kind of creating or taking up a new hobby, I had been hearing from my friends and my colleagues that they missed out painting, so they started taking up painting course, and they missed out a sculpture, or they missed out watching some movies. So I think this is a good way, and I think that making a timetable is very, very important because we all are at home. So would you like to really tell our viewers that how we should make a positive timetable to remain busy and be productive and be positive?
I agree with you, Kanchan, that there should be a routine in life, and every day there should be a timetable. One should follow the routine, and the routine should, in a way, be such that it helps you out physically, it helps you mentally also. So one should go for physical exercises. It's not important that you need to get out of your house, but you can do exercises by staying at one place only, whether it's jumping on the spot, walking on the spot, doing yoga, whatever it is. And as for the hobbies, yes, it is important to again restart your hobbies. Or if you do not have hobbies, I'm sure everyone has some kind of hobby, so why not re-inculcate something? People, they love reading, please start reading. Perhaps you may become some kind of a writer also. Perhaps you may write some good books also. And if you love watching movies, yes, why not? Please start watching lots of good movies, and perhaps you may become a film critic also, because people are writing their reviews online, and slowly they become professional critics also. So I think it's a very good thing. And one should really look out for the things which they really love, like painting. It's a very creative thing. At least it diverts your mind from negativity to positivity, and you whatever you have inside you, it's a platform that you can give out. You can give vent to your feelings and draw something nice, and people appreciate it, and you also appreciate your work.
Yes, it was a very good advice, and I feel that timetable should be like getting up early and taking up yogas, and do making a new dish every day. That brings happiness
Yes.
in a day-to-day life. So it was
Yes.
so lovely to really talk to you today, and we will be meeting again. I'm sure that the viewers will be getting more insight and maybe rekindle the way they are living. And because Ritu, this pandemic will remain for a long time, so it is better to be accustomed and to not crib about this, because we are at home and we have to do new things from our own home only, because social distancing we have to follow now, or maybe 3-4 years more, right, Ritu?
I agree that we should have acceptance that this is going to remain. And yes, even if you are maintaining social distance, you are not away from your friends. You are just one phone call away. So call up your friends, call up your relatives, and with the people who are living with you, your family. Develop you can develop some kind of relationship with them, for them to getting with along with you in your hobby. This is also teamwork. A family is it's teamwork. And start doing things, enjoy things, start cooking together. It's a fun. The family people, they cook together, it's fun. So I think it's a good time to establish communication and talking to people. You can still, you don't have to step out of your house, but then there are things you can do by staying at home. And I'm sure everyone is going to maintain social distance for some coming years till the time everyone is vaccinated. It is very important to take care of your health and to take care of other person's health also. This is everyone's responsibility at the moment.
It was so lovely to talk to you today, and we will be meeting again with our next episode with a wonderful topic. Till then, bye bye, and again, stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you. And you also stay safe and healthy. Thank you so much, Kanchan. Bye bye.
We have some unique Akulmek memorabilia which will make you look outstanding. The graphics on these corporate gifts are based on the global best business practices. To become recipient of one of these gifts for free, you have to watch this video till the end and provide your valuable comments. Or you can also share your experiences. The person who makes the best comment would be chosen to become a recipient of these beautiful Akulmek gift, absolutely free, delivered to your doorsteps. The winner would also get a chance to be invited live as a distinguished panelist during our next video. What are you waiting for, friends? Please subscribe Akulmek and smash that like.